Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic border behind person video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to adjust the video a little bit like so. Oh, okay, maybe this is not the best option because there's like other people as well. It's easier if it's just like one person, so I'm just going to use this one actually. So get your video. You're going to want to copy and paste that. And then you're going, actually you don't need to, maybe, yes you do. Okay, so go to cutout and then select auto cutout on the video on top. Then you're going to go to the library or just select like the background. Go to mask and select the mirror. And then have it like on full, like 100% size first. And then like here, okay, I might have did that too well. Okay, let's place it back. I'm just gonna actually go to the second one, like here, and then place the I guess like the frame like this. It's better also if your video is a bit zoomed in, and I'm just going to add a keyframe here. And then at the beginning, I'm just going to place it up here. Let me just see this first. And that's pretty much it. You can add in a zoom in if you want to, but I just prefer it like that. Like if you just went to like effects and like search for zoom, you do have to apply it to both of the videos. Let's see, zoom. Like the zoom lens. Like you do have to like apply it to both of the videos, but I honestly prefer it without. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.